we're stepping into a very new serious part of this industry, okay? The industrial and manufacturing inspections. This is where the clipboard gets a little heavy, all right? So for those of you who are ready for this, get your pen and paper, because now you're not just checking walls and windows and all of that good stuff. You're dealing with machinery. You're dealing with safety protocols, compliances, things that literally keep people alive and companies out of lawsuits. So one mistake out here can cost a company thousands of dollars or even shut down the whole operation. But if you are a detail-oriented person, and you're one of those, like, I don't play about safety, I do my job to the fullest. If you're one of those types and you're looking to get paid accordingly, then yeah, this lane here is going to be right up your alley, okay? And it may be calling your name. So let's get into it. So first, let's discuss what actually it is. What is the industrial and manufacturing inspectors, and what do they actually do? Industrial inspectors are walking into factories, warehouses, plants, places where things are getting made, processed, moved, stored. Those are big scale operations. And you're checking for things like equipment, machinery safety, electrical systems, pressure tanks, boilers, ventilation, fire systems, exit plans, OSHA compliance, hazardous materials, environmental and safety, employee practices and safety, blah, 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 safety, employee safety practices, all of that stuff. Everything that entails inside of this building and how they operate is what you'll be checking for. So basically, you're making sure that nobody gets hurt and that nothing blows up. You're protecting property and you're protecting people. And yes, you may be working right alongside engineers and safety managers. But it is the next step in your career if you no longer want to be a part of just the basic home and commercial line inspections. So first of all, let's just get into certifications, because I know that's what a lot of you are ready for. Get your pen and paper, let's go. For certification and training. Okay, so now listen, first off, this is not going to be one of those, I'm going to watch her video today and I'm going to start me a business tomorrow in this lane. It don't work like that, okay? These levels do require training once again and for you to have some credentials. Here are a few big ones. So OSHA 30, don't even try skipping this one, because this one, from what I am told, is non-negotiable. And then you have CPS, Certified Safety Professionals. OHST, this is mid-level. It's a great stepping stone for some of you who may be already ready for that. The next one is API or ASME certs, if you're checking tanks, boilers, and pressure equipment. And then we have NDT certs, if you're into aerospace, heavy manufacturing, or weld inspections. So yes, it does take an investment. Yes, the learning curve is real. There are a few of you out here who are strong-minded. You are confident in yourself, and you know that whatever's next, you're willing to jump in head first. If you're watching, then this most definitely is for you. Each cert is going to add more money and credibility, of course, to your name. So let's talk about pay, because yes, this is where things are going to get a little interesting. All right, so entry level with OSHA, OSHA, with their training, anywhere from $55,000 to $70,000 per year. Mid-level with the CSP or the OHST, $75,000 to $95,000. All right. Senior inspectors, of course, we already know, gotta love them. Those that's been around, they're looking to get anywhere from $100K to $140K plus. And if you want to go independent, you can actually build anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per inspection. And this is depending on the job. This career stays busy. And safety, it never goes out of season. All right, so let's talk about job opportunities. Some common places that inspectors work are in manufacturing plants. Now, this is going to get you back into, up under someone else's umbrella. But hold up, okay? Manufacturing plants, third-party inspection firms, government agencies, you can do that. through OSHA and all of those good things, okay? Insurance carriers, utilities, and energy companies. And of course, with experience. And then you can move into compliance and management. You can deal with safety directory roles or consultant. All of these are 6-figure territories. So now, for those of you who want to remain independent, like me, you already know how we do it. We don't want to be up under anybody else's umbrella. Okay, you prefer to run your own show, you absolutely can. Okay, because independent industrial inspectors are like safety consultants. You might do anything like OSHA audits, pre-insurance reports, equipment checks, safety trainings, all of that. Okay, so there is a way for you to actually do this as an independent contractor. Look into it in the area near you, get all of the full details that you need. Okay, so now let's talk about how we're going to market ourselves. You can try LinkedIn. A lot of people market themselves straight through LinkedIn because they figure it's one of those major places to go if you're looking to get into this type of work. You can go direct and reach out to some of these manufacturing and logistic facilities. You can actually go and do that. Or you can partner with some risk management firms and adjusters. You can do that as well. You want to build some trust. You want to collect some referrals. And once your name gets around, you'll stay booked. So it's all going to be about you and how you want to play this game. But yes, indeed, instead of just doing homes in commercial locations, you can steady and constantly grow as a field inspector. If you are reliable, if you are driven, and if you want a career where your work really pays, okay, and we all know that pays matter, this may be your lane. All you have to do is step out on it and make things happen for yourself. I hope this video has been helpful to some of you. Please, you know what to do. But before you do, let me just throw that out one more time. I am running a sale, fall sale, Deemechelle.com. A lot of you are in need of some of those digital downloads. They are over there. Percentages off are already marked down below the actual download. You can see them when you go directly onto the site. There is also sales going on all of my handcrafted jewelry. Please go over and take a look before the sale runs out. I don't know how long I'm going to run it, but it is still going on today as we speak. Now, with that being said, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on all of your notification bells because you know I'll be bringing you back something later. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. We all know the 9-to-5 isn't secure anymore. Prices are up, layoffs are everywhere, and waiting for someday won't fix it. I'm Deemechelle, and I built my freedom through field inspections. Now I mentor others to do the same, helping you get clarity, confidence, and direction in the insurance and commercial inspection industry. My mentorship programs are designed to help you break free from uncertainty, learn from real experience, and finally take control of your time and of your income. But don't wait, because opportunities don't stay open forever. Visit Deemechelle.com, choose your mentorship, and let's start building your inspection career together. Your future doesn't wait, and neither should you.